How to Chroma Key in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on New Project and import your picture or video. After you have done that, click on Overlay at the bottom. In Overlay, click on Add Overlay. After that, select the green screen image. Resize the image where you want. After you have done that, simply swipe it to the left. At the bottom, you'll find Cutout. Click on Cutout. In Cutout, click on Chroma Key. Then select the green color or any color you want to do. I'll simply click on green. After that, click on Intensity. Select the intensity that you prefer. As you can see, green color has been removed. You can also add shadow to your picture. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to Chroma Key and CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.